Ay lang, kaya puno naman. Sa may bukid no.
This is a Baguio City. Itong daming pine tree. In the Philippines, sikat ang Baguio City kasi they are the summer capital. Maraming pine tree. But in Mindanao, maraming pine tree sa Bukidnon. Cold weather din ang Bukidnon. Sikat din sila. They are very famous and they are also tourist spot. Sa Bukidnon, maraming key cities, Malaybalay, Quezon, Bukidnon. Ano pa kayo natin eh? Malaybalay, Quezon, Bukidnon, Valencia City, Bukidnon. Meron pang isa. Maramag, Bukidnon. Actually, in the Philippines, sikat talaga itong Baguio kasi una siyang na-discovered 1920s pa. They are the city, they are the capital city, the summer capital. The summer capital, ang Baguio City. Ito siya. Oh, ito, Baguio City. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always following me and subscribing. Happy weekends everyone and happy holidays.